Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Unbounce to create LinkedIn campaign landing pages, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize Unbounce to create LinkedIn campaign landing pages, begin by logging into your Unbounce account. Once logged in, navigate to the Integrations tab in the main dashboard. In the Integrations section, look for the LinkedIn option. Click on the LinkedIn integration to start the authorization process. Next, you will see a prompt to connect your LinkedIn account. Click on the Connect button to proceed. A new window will open, requesting your LinkedIn login credentials. Enter your email and password associated with your LinkedIn account. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. LinkedIn may ask you to authenticate your identity through a verification process. Complete any requested verification steps, such as two-factor authentication. Once verified, you will be directed back to the Unbounce integration page. Here, review the permissions being requested by Unbounce. If you agree, click on the Allow Access button to grant permissions. The integration process should now complete successfully. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your LinkedIn account is linked to Unbounce. To create a landing page for your LinkedIn campaign, navigate to the Pages section in Unbounce. Click on the Create New Page button to begin crafting your landing page. Select a template that suits your LinkedIn campaign needs. Customize the page using Unbounce Drag and Drop Builder. After designing your page, click on the Publish button. Choose the option to publish the page to your LinkedIn campaign. Finally, confirm the details and complete the publishing process. Your Unbounce landing page is now ready to be used with your LinkedIn campaign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.